This is the monastery of Odigitiria, and if I would take this street, go down, it's gonna take me to Ayofara Gorge and Kalilimnis. But if I would take this second road, this is gonna take me to it's called Vati. I'm gonna put the GoPro in front of the car and also capture the way to see how it is. Is it broken? Is it possible to go there? It is easy to go there. So we are gonna figure that out. This place seems like a very cool this looks very cool. You can put something, you can cook here, you can have a campfire here in case if it is getting cold. Yeah, it's like a very nice shelter here. I don't know when it's built. Maybe years ago. Who knows? I have been talking about Elafonisi Beach, I have been talking about Red Beach, I have been talking about this beach, I have been talking about that beach. But I didn't know about this place. I knew that it exists in map. I never had the chance and the opportunity to come here. And after seeing this, the list will be not complete without this beach. If you are talking about Elafonisi Beach, if you are talking about Balos Beach, and if you are not putting Vati Beach into the list, that's not fair. This beach deserves to be in the top 10 beaches in Crete Island. And this is by far one of the most beautiful beaches in Crete Island. Only the accesses, only to access this beach is a bit of a challenge, but for those who love beaches and for those who love less crowded areas. I don't know if it's gonna be the same or not in the summer. To be honest, I haven't been here in the summer, but I will come back in the summer to this beach to see how it's going on, to see what's going on here. But for now, it's me and the goats, the beach, the sky and the sun. That's all, my friend, that's it. The best authentic adventurous YouTuber in Crete is Mr. Adventure, bringing you the impossible content, the impossible videos. That's what one of the subscribers think about me. As a child, I always liked it to push myself a little bit further, to do something unusual, to do something what others don't. And that's where you find yourself, and that's where you differentiate and you make the point that, hey, look, I care more. At this very moment here, there is nobody else. It's me and it's you. I only have you to communicate, and I'm talking to you. Don't think that you don't exist. I assume that you exist and you are here and we are having a chat. Somehow my brain and subconscious is able to do that. So yeah, you were here. Maybe someday we are gonna organize a beach party here in this area, and we invite everybody, a bunch of people, and celebrate a moment to be together, to cook, to eat, to feast, and to swim. What do you think? Let me know if you are down for something like that. Of course you are. I know that. And now I am going to fly the drone and to capture the beauty of this piece of paradise on the face of earth in Crete Island, which is called Vati Beach. this was it for Vati Beach. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and also share your thoughts, recommendations in the comment section. And if you are already having a good time, consider subscribing. Other than that, until the next time, peace. I'm not sure, but I guess it's worth mentioning that there are rooms to stay. I can see over there one. Yeah, it's possible. And we have an artist here, Vathis stone sculpturing area. I don't know if he's at home or not. Sifi, θέλεις να πεις κάτι?
Ευχαριστώ, ευχαριστώ.
Okay. So,
Αν θέλεις να πούμε καφέ, κάτι.
Sifi is offering coffee. Ευχαριστώ πολύ, κάποια άλλη στιγμή και θα τα πούμε.
Ωραία, ωραία.
Ναι, ναι.
Εντάξει, να φορά να χασίζομαι λίγο εδώ.
Ναι, να πιούμε καμία ρακή.
Να πιούμε ρακή, οτιδήποτε.
Ευχαριστώ.
Στο φούρνο φαγητό να φάμε.
Ναι, ναι, ναι. Okay.
Ωραία.
Also, Sifi has a small. Παρακαλώ. Χάρηκα, Sifi. Has a little bit of sculpturing work that you can, if you are coming to the beach, you can pay him a visit, say hi, and it would be nice to socialize. I wanted him to chat a little bit and talk, but I guess he was a little bit shy from the camera and maybe he felt not ready to talk to camera, but it was really nice of him inviting me for a coffee. It was really nice, and he was not alone. He was there with his woman, with his wife, and imagine how far we came, and they live here. And I guess in one sense we really don't need everything around us to be fulfilled. We need maybe that hobby that we want to explore, or maybe we want that partner around us, and I guess that's enough for an entire life to be fulfilled and to be happy, and to wake up every day and cannot wait to live that life. And I wish you all the best. I want you to be happy anywhere or everywhere you are, and I wish you all the best with your passion, with whatever it is that you want to pursue in your life. I wish you all the best, and until the next time, peace.